Next question is given. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42. Perimeter already di ase. Duta side di ase kiman kiman? Suppose this is the triangle. Kiman kiman di ase? 18, 10. We don't know the third one. Okay. So let A is 18 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, C we don't know, but we know the perimeter. Perimeter is given how much?
42 centimeter.
Perimeter is given of triangle is 42 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of triangle? Sum of all the sides equals to 42 centimeter. So AB diya se 18 plus 10 plus C 42. So to add koli can come 28. So C equals to 42 minus 28. So minus koli can come 4 1. C is equals to how much? 14 centimeter. Next what we have to find? Semi perimeter. So perimeter diya se already. Perimeter kiman diya se? 42. So A plus B plus C divided by 2. So perimeter is already given 42 divided by 2. If you cancel, you will get 21. So this is 21 centimeter. So you need to find the area now. So area of triangle equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So how much you will get? S to kiman diya ase? 21. Again 21 minus A. What is A? 18. Okay. 21 minus 10. 21 minus 14. ठीक है सर? So 21 into 80 क्या ना हो? 3. Into 11. This one 7. Huh? Next what we will do? So 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 3 is already there. 11 is there. 7 is in pair. It will come out. 3 is in pair. Come out. 11 is not in pair. So 21 root 11 square centimeter. That will be the area of the triangle. Our next question is given. Side of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. And its perimeter is 54. तो रेशियो दिया से की करें? Let 12x be equals to 17x, C equals to 25x. Okay. And perimeter is given what?
540 centimeter.
Perimeter of triangle is given 540 centimeter. Fine. So we exactly don't know what is the length of this side, the first side. It is given 12x. So we have to find the value of x first. Fine. So this is A plus B plus C equals to 540. What is A?
12x.
What is B? 17. C is 25x equals to 540. If you add, how much you will get?
43.
7, 8, 9 to 54. 54x equals to 540. If you add, we will get 54x. So x equals to 540 divided by 54. How many times?
10.
So this is 1 0. So x equals to 10. Okay. X is 10. So A ki hoy jabo etia. A kiman asle?
12x.
12x. So 12 into
10.
10 mean 120 centimeter. B kiman asle? 17x. 17 into 10 क्या ना हो? C किमान हो? 25x. So 25 into 10, 250 centimeter. So we got all the side. Okay. Now we'll put them in the formula. Before that we have to find the semi perimeter. So S equals to semi perimeter. Perimeter is already given 540. So perimeter by 2. Right? Perimeter by 2. So this will be how much? 270 centimeter. So we'll find the area. Area of triangle is S minus A
S minus B, S minus
root over. So what is S? 270 into 270 minus A किमान असले 120. 270 minus next 170. Again 270 minus 250. हल? अरे क्या ना वो? 270. This one? 150. This one? 20. This can be written as what? All are multiple of 10. So we'll change into that. 27 into 10 into 15 into 10 10 into 10 2 into 10. We'll try to do one by one. This 10 is in pair. Come out. This is in pair. It will also come out. What is left inside? 27. 27 can be written as what? What is the factor of 27? 3 into 3 into 3. Isn't it? We'll try to change into prime factor. Fine. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 15 can be written as 3 into 5. These are prime number, right? This is 2. This is left. This can be written as 2 into 5. 10 into 10, 100. This is in pair. It will come out. This is also in pair. Come out. This is in pair. It will come out. This is also in pair. Come out. Good idea. So it multiply kori kya habo? 3 3s are 9. 100 into 9 into etu kya habo? 10. So it kya na jabo? 9 keta 0 hobo pisat? 3 0. 9000. Hobo na? Etu square centimeter. 9000 square centimeter. Easy hoy na? See the last question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. Perimeter 30 diya ase and each of the equal sides are 12. Find the area of triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? What is isosceles triangle? Any two sides are equal. When a triangle has any two sides equal, suppose this and this, so equal side is given how much? 12. Eto 12 already can have. Eto 12. Eto nazano. We'll take x. Okay. So first we will find let A is 12 centimeter. B is also 12 centimeter. C we don't know. So perimeter of triangle is given how much? 30. So perimeter mean A plus B plus C equals to 30. So this is how much? 12 plus C. C is how much? You can take X or C also, same thing, 30. So this will be 24. Take to the other side, X equals to 30. Better you keep C. 30. So minus 24. So this will be 6. C is 6 centimeter. Now you can find, we have to find S. S is perimeter by 2. The perimeter is given how much? 30 divided by 2. How much you will get? 15 centimeter. So area of triangle equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is how much? 15. 15 minus again 15 minus 6. So this will be 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. So this can be written as what? 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is square. This is in pair. So 3 3 ulai ahibo. Bitor ki thakibo? 5 into 3 15. So answer will be 9 root 15. That is the area of the triangle, square centimeter. ठीक है सर?